guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the bridal week. So for today's video, I wanted to create something really unique with a bridal black saree. Usually people don't really wear black on their wedding day, but I wanted to break the stereotype. That's why I tried to do something different. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this look. If you want to know how to get that makeup look right there, then please keep on watching. First, I'm moisturizing her face with the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. For foundation, I'm using the Elegant Pro Coverage HD Foundation and Maybelline Superstay Foundation. As she has really good skin, that's why I'm not using any color corrector before the foundation. Here I'm cream highlighting the face with the Wet n Wild cream highlighter. With a little bit of orange corrector and Kryolan paint stick in FS22, I'm applying it on her under eyes. For concealer, I'm using the W7 Catwalk Concealer in the shade Light. And I'm applying it on the centers of her face. And with a beauty blender, I am blending out the concealer. To set her face, I am taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. To highlight her brow bone, I am taking the Gemstars palette and using a light shimmery shade. And to set the eyelid, I am taking a shade that is really close to her actual skin tone. For the crease, I am taking a really dark brown, applying it from the inner to the outer corners of her eyes. And to blend that out, I am taking two brown shades. And with a blending brush, I am blending everything out. For the lid, I am taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. And on top of that gel eyeliner, I am applying some black eyeshadow so that it lasts really long. I'm blending out the black eyeshadow with a small blending brush and the dark brown shade on the crease. For the very centers of her eyelid, I'm taking a shimmery copper shade. On top of that shimmery shade, I am taking a little bit of Stila Diamond Dust glitter. For the brows, I am taking the Focallure brow pencil and I am really lightly filling it in. Here I am prepping her lashes for the falsies. Here I am adding some false eyelashes. Again, these are from Lash Lounge. For bronzing and contouring, I am taking the City Color Contouring Kit. Here I am intensifying the contour. I am also baking underneath the contour to make it look a little bit more intense and clean. For blush, I am using my all-time favorite one. This is the W7 Triple Treat Blusher. For highlighter, again this is my most favorite highlighter of all time, Ofra Rodeo Drive. I'm applying it on her cheekbones, sides of the forehead, cupid's bow and chin. I'm also contouring her nose a little bit. With some brow gel, I'm setting her brows and making it look a little bushy and natural. For the lower lash line, I'm going back to those two warm brown shades, blending that out, and I'm highlighting her inner corners, and that's it. I'm doing nothing else with the lower lash line. For the lips, first I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz Olive Liquid Lipstick in the shade Illusion. And on top, I'm going in with a nude gloss. And finally, to set her face, I'm using the Ofra Makeup Fixer. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!